Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will learn VSTACK and Hstack in this video. We have data in order to sort and arrange. We simply use here equals to VSTACK. Now select Data Table. After comma sign, again select Data Table. We have select whole required data. This is how we have arranged vertically. Now test our formula and function. Now we move to our second formula. First, we arrange data in table. Now we need to arrange data horizontally. Now use here formula equals to Hstack. Select Data Table. Now test our formula and function. This is how Hstack and VSTACK formula works.